Hello students, today we will see how to register ourselves on NTS examination 2021st and 22nd. So before that I just make you aware about the portal, how you can just do registration and then after filling of form. Before that first we have to visit on this website given here, and after that we will just able to register and log in. To register ourselves we have to visit on this website address as I have shown you just above, and after that we have to choose this third option, okay, here where candidate can register and log in. And after that you have to come here, but here down you will find one option, new user. Click here to register. So as we have not registered ourselves, we have to click here to register, and then after we can fill our form. So we just move to next window to register ourselves, where you will find the name of the examination, that is National Talent Search Examination 2021 and 2nd is given. After that we have to write few details like our name, date of birth, gender, caste categories, suppose anyone belonging from other categories like general, OBC, ST, SC. So we will select here, and we have to also upload the certificate of that category. Then after we will choose disability status, physical disability. Then we will write our email address and mobile number. After writing mobile number, it will ask for the verification of your mobile number. It will give you one OTP. To get the OTP we have to click on send OTP, okay, and after that we will receive one OTP that we have to fill for the verification. After filling that OTP we have to click on verify. So as you can see here, we will get one OTP, so we have to write that OTP in the verification code area, okay. And as soon as you will type here, after typing we have to click on verify, and after verifying we have to submit it, okay. As soon as we will submit, we have registered ourselves, and after that you will get one thank you page from that portal, where you will get your login ID and password. You have to note down this login ID and password, as it is required to fill our form, fill the application. And after that you will get one message in your mobile phone also, and email. On both the places you will receive one confirmation. And after that we have to again log in, and then after we will fill the remaining parts of this process, that is filling of the application and previewing the application, and then after making payment. So first now we have to type our login ID here and password what you have received in your mobile number or email. After that we have to move to the next page to complete our registration process, okay. As you can see here, this place is given for email login ID, and this down is given for password. We have to fill there. Then as soon as we will click on login, we will move to the next part of the filling the form, okay. After that the application window will look like this. Here we have to fill some important details like what we have filled earlier, that will show here, and remaining things we have to fill like father's name, mother's name, okay. Keep in mind the name should not be greater than 35 characters, okay. Then after we have to specify whether you are living in a rural area or urban areas, okay. And Then in the next part we have to type our communication address where you are living at present. Okay, that means where you we can communicate what address you have given in school, the same address you can type, or your present address you can type here, like line 1 in the locality, a street or village name, then after any landmark, then a state and pin code. After that, next part, here you have to type your school or institution informations, like in which district, block, name of the school, address, post office, pin code, and school type, and in which area the school is located, category of school. All the information you can get from our school, or it is already mentioned in your admit card or whatever you have received registration slip from the school, you will, it is there. Okay, then after you have to choose the medium of examination, whether in Hindi or English, at state level or at NCERT level. Then after, some more details, your family details you have to write, your like your father's education, occupations, mother's education, occupations, number of family members, how many members in your family, brother, sister, and your number. Suppose you are the eldest one, you will write 1, and youngest one, then count how many brother and sister bigger than you, and after that you will write their numbers. Okay, then you have to upload your parental income certificate, annual income certificate with mobile number. Okay, email address of your father and mobile number of your father. All things you have to type here. Okay, then after the next part, after filling this one, you have to do some work, like you have to upload your photo and signature. While uploading your photo and signature, the size of the photograph, a scanned copy, must be minimum less than 50 KB, and signatures file size must be less than 20 KB. Okay, and after uploading that one, you will get option here to upload. Click on upload photograph, it will provide you the space to browse and upload for both photo and signature. Okay, and after that you have to preview the application, whatever the details you have filled you can preview it, and after previewing that one, once you confirm whether you have the details you have filled it is correct or not, then after you can move to the next part, that is make payment. Okay, so before making payment you have to preview all the details, address, school informations, examinations medium, annual income of your father or mother, and then after verifying your scanned photo and signature, you have to now make payment. And for that the next part is given, that is make payment. Here you have to type your name, categories, disability, it all will show, and application fee also it will show here. Down one object is here, it is given to declaration, make declaration, then only to proceed to pay. Okay, and after that you, once you proceed, you are not able to make any changes in your application form, so be aware about that. After proceeding you will get one information window like this. Here it will show all the details. You can make payment using debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI. Use UPI, it is easier. Click on pay by QR code. You will get a QR code, scan with your mobile phone. You can easily pay it. Okay, here, and click on make payment, and after that you have to download the application form. Okay, after completing that one, the process of payment, you once you will get one page like this. Here application number you will get, and all examination details with your pictures. Print from that area and keep one copy with yourself. Okay, now by this way you can get all the necessary details how you can do here the payment. Once you verify what amount you have paid, all necessary details, after verifying you can give one copy, or also inform to school, sir, I am taking part in this competition, at least we should know, so we can provide you all the necessary details whatever required for you. Okay, so like this you can fill your form. I hope it is clear and you all have understood whatever be the details required by you. After successful payment you will get one information like this. In this you have to make some, keep in mind, that is the first you have to make application copy, one copy of that one, mark sheet of class 9th, copy of all certificate uploaded with application form like annual income certificate, caste certificate and Aadhaar copy. Okay, or you can keep school ID card also. Okay, if your Aadhaar card is not there, you can keep school ID photograph is with you while going on for writing the exam. Okay, and after that you can change your password and so many other processes that is not more required for you. Once you just register, keep out your login ID and password, that is for you. So